Many people do not have access to large kitchens. Their kitchen may be less than ideal, unlike what you see on Hell's Kitchen or MasterChef. In reality, there are occasions when they just do not have enough space in the kitchen. Preparing dinner in a small kitchen is complex, and the problem is made worse by the chaos of junk that has taken over the space. As a result, we devised the following 12 ideas to make your tiny kitchen feel more like a home. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list. Number 12. Make it cozier with a rug. A rug makes a modest kitchen feel cozier. Kitchen rugs come in many shapes, materials, and colors. Thus, you need to choose it carefully. For a high-traffic kitchen prone to spills and splashes, a flat weave rug is ideal. Alternatively, get polypropylene rugs that don't absorb spills, preventing kitchen messes. Jute and sisal are also easy to clean and long-lived. Number 11. Soothe your eyes with more greens. Display your indoor vines on a tall shelf such as devil's ivy or heartleaf philodendron. Soon, their dramatic dangle will soothe your tired eyes when you once again fail to acquire the sensational taste you desire. Alternatively, you can cultivate herbs in your garden with a simple pegboard as a medium to grow your fresh herbs on your underutilized wall area. Number 10. Get wall art to escape your mind for a while. The kitchen doesn't have to be boring just because you don't entertain there. Furthermore, let's not forget that you spend a lot of time on a hot stove. Your kitchen wall decor doesn't have to be elaborate. A simple, impartial one would make a difference. For example, entryway wreaths for Thanksgiving or Christmas. For year-round wall decor, try framed artwork, woven baskets, and chopping boards. If you're tactile, use a blackboard to relax while cooking your new experimental menu. Number 9. Lift it with sky blue. A blue kitchen is a way to go when you want to feel closer to nature but prefer something livelier than earth tones. To paraphrase Deluxe's design director Marianne Schillingford, paler colors of blue and green that capture the beauty of the sky and landscape make small spaces appear larger. Kitchens are typically the most utilized area in the house, so it's important to choose colors that are simple to live with, says Faro and Ball brand ambassador Patrick O'Donnell. Try to refresh your color palettes when the old ones bore you. In the above picture of a kitchen, the addition of a patterned chair and an accent chair in the shade selected from the print that contrasts the blue but remains coherent is something we appreciate. Number 8. New layout for the lighting schemes. Layouts for open-concept kitchens. Tom Howley, design director for the eponymous kitchen firm, proposes layering lighting to avoid making the space feel overly open or frigid. Your kitchen's design and lighting should incorporate features of multifunctionality to facilitate a variety of activities in a variety of zones. The best lighting solution is to designate an intense work light above the kitchen counters where you prepare the food and a warm low light for the diners. It may only be a few meters, but the contrast in lighting between the kitchen and the dining room can make or break an entertaining evening. Number 7. Keep natural, neutral, but remain productive. Accent colors can alter the mood of your kitchen. Some colors, like orange, are a great choice to kick off a productive day. On the contrary, you can achieve a cozier atmosphere by using a color scheme of white, dreary, or brown. Better still, if you want to achieve that comfy vibe, you must paint it black or charcoal gray if you feel unsure. If you're limited to white, El Mueble has some ideas. Number 6. Upgrade your coziness with candles. Does your kitchen have fixed lighting? Cozy up. Use softer lighting, table lamps, or candles. Anything that softens the light and warms the atmosphere helps, but ensure that you choose the candle for lighting purposes. Try a citrus-forward candle for aromatic purposes or to rejuvenate your mood before starting a new cooking project you've never tried before. As the candle burns down, it'll purify and freshen the air. It's not suffocatingly hot or wintry, but rather stimulating and cheery. This choice is for you if you're looking for a refreshing alternative to a traditional candle scent, such as vanilla or musk. It fits in your bathroom too. If you live in a rental space, you probably have to deal with a kitchen room that blends with a living room. For that reason, you may need to take our feature titled 10 Cozy Open-Plan Living Room Ideas on a visit. As always, it comes with a video. Beyond that, it has dozens of FAQs and answers that could offer you the fresh perspective you need to deal with your organizational challenges. With that said, let's complete our countdown with Number 5. Add a table for a cozy breakfast nook. When done right, a new seating layout will instantly warm up your little kitchen. For example, build an angled corner bench first, Then combine it with a round table for easy access. Build a diner booth at the end of the cabinet or U-shaped benches. Finally, build a drop leaf table for a more instant breakfast experience that won't disrupt your foot traffic. Number 4. Alternate your clutter management methods. A messy working space is distracting. Thus, keep your workstation neat and organized, but don't empty it. Only keeping the essentials and a few decorative objects like cutting boards and pots will keep your kitchen's atmosphere conducive. It may be worth taking a quick inventory of your stuff in tight confines to see what you haven't used in years and can donate or toss away. Shelf risers, pegboard solutions, and pull-out racks are just a few clever choices to maximize your space. Or consider a more functional transformation included with curvier furniture or reach overhead. An open shelf above the sink, integrated with closed cabinets, adds extra storage in this smaller kitchen. Photo courtesy of Craftmade. Number 3. Get it cozier with more wooden elements. Adding wood accents is a tried method of making even a tiny kitchen feel more welcoming and comfortable. Instant coziness is guaranteed wherever wood is present. Therefore, having some wood in the kitchen is our strong recommendation. To do this, consider purchasing wood veneer cabinet fronts or a butcher block countertop. As a last touch, transform your cement flooring with hardwood to transform the ambiance of your kitchen. If that transformation is financially impossible, consider interlocking deck tiles or shelf-adhesive wood plank. Number 2. Keep it clean will not cost you much. It's much easier to relax in a clean kitchen, so you need to keep a cleaning kit and a set of shelf rollers close, for example. Remember to remove the countertop of any clutter before cleaning it. Do the dishes by hand and then load the dishwasher. Then move on to wiping down the refrigerator, cabinets, and other minor appliances. It's also a good idea to clean the outside of your stove and oven before the stain becomes permanent. In conclusion, always be meticulous about cleaning the floor. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. When necessary, refresh your kitchen layout. Consider ideas like the U-shape for a tiny kitchen, widely regarded as the most practical kitchen plan for the golden triangle appliance configuration, or a galley kitchen design to access the best vertical space configuration and provides plenty of access to the workspace. Or a peninsular kitchen design allows you to divide narrow kitchen ideas while adding more cabinet and counter space for storage, eating, and socializing. Lastly, whether you need it as extra seating, a desk for the kids, or just a place to set the table, a simple kitchen island can serve many purposes. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.